Hello guys, this is our offside blog. So guys, today I talking about how to start a blog. So guys, too many people don't know how to start a blog. This is very simple and easy way. First, you need to create your Gmail account. Then you need to write the blogging.com. When you write your blogging.com, come your website, then you open this website, go and create your website name. Okay, which one you like, you need to create. You need to put this website name, then you go next step. When you go next step, you need to design your website, and you need to also download your web page software. Web page apps you need to download, and you need to start a blog. Which one you like, which one this one you need to put, and you need to post your blog. So guys, example, exercise. Okay, so you can create also your exercise blog. You can create which one you put which one eating is good for your health, and which exercise you're good for your health, and which one you can do every day. You can also put and post also your blog. You can advise anything your blog. And when advise your blog, when you share your blog somewhere, or you can also put news. When you share with your friend, when coming too much traffic your blog website, every day need to 100 viewer your blog. When 100 viewer your blog, maximum 3 or 4 months after, you can apply for monetize your blog. So guys, you can very easily start a blog. Okay, this is very simple, and you can monetize your blog page, and you can earn also, you can more money. So guys, I hope you understand what I said. You can try, and you can learn more. So please subscribe our channel. You have any question, anything, please inbox me. I will help you, and I will also comment for you. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand.